Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you actually own an active Nitro subscription or a transferable server boost. This matters because only boosts tied to your account can be reassigned. Once confirmed, open Discord on desktop or mobile and log in. Next, go straight to user settings, then subscriptions or server boosts. This view lists active boosts and their status. Do this now so you can see which boost to move. That visibility is the first actionable step. Now you select the boost you want to change and tap Manage. This exposes options like transfer or change server. You must pick the destination server from the drop-down. Make sure you have at least one boost slot free on that server or permission to boost it. Once selected, confirm any prompts about boosting effects, role changes, or duration so you understand why roles or perks will shift. If you see a warning, pause, read it. Then proceed only when you accept the changes. Finish by confirming the transfer and watching for immediate updates to the target server's boost level and perks. This verifies success. If the change fails, first make sure your Nitro subscription is active and payment information isn't expired, because that often blocks transfers. Also check the destination server's boost cap. If full, remove one boost there first. If problems continue, log out and back in, retry the transfer, and then contact Discord support with screenshots. That usually resolves edge case errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.